Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Debbie and you are watching Just Debbie Marie. So today we're going to be talking about my natural hair. It's been a while since I've spoken to you guys or shared with you about what's been happening with my natural hair. So if you want to hear a bit of an update, and also I have a few items that I want to show you that I bought recently, stay tuned. Alright you guys, so before we get into the video, as usual, I want to remind you guys to subscribe to the channel. Also, if you've been enjoying the content, give a like. The likes really do help my videos to get seen by more people, so please continue to like if you are watching. Also, if you are watching, I want you guys to leave a hairbrush in the comments to let me know that you are watching. Check out the previous videos on my channel and my other channel, Yadmins. And yeah, let's get into the video. So I'm gonna be doing a natural hair update, just talking to you guys about how my natural hair has been. I have not posted a video about my natural hair in a good little while, so I kind of wanted to update you guys. And I know that some of you guys are probably on my channel because of my natural hair. So yeah, I just wanted to kind of give you guys an update. I did go ahead and buy some products the other day, and I kind of just wanted to show you guys what I bought. Also, hopefully I can remember the prices of the items. So I did a video some time ago with Mallory Naturals, and I had used their leave-in conditioner that has subsequently finished, and I wanted to try something else. I originally wanted to try the Cream of Nature coconut milk leave-in conditioner because I love their curling cream so much, but I could not find it. So I opted for something that a lot of you guys might be like, why would you buy that? Like, I hate this product. But honestly, it has worked for me before, and that product is the Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioning Repair Cream. Now, when I was just transitioning and when I had recently big chopped my hair, this is what I used to use. I used to use it in like as a moisturizer. So I'm planning to revisit it and see how it actually works for me as a leave-in conditioning cream. So I did purchase all these items in my wholesale in Halfway Tree. If you guys know about wholesales, if you're Jamaican, you know wholesales. I guess it's kind of like you know, an Asian style beauty supply store. If you guys have that overseas in the US, wherever, you guys would know what I'm talking about. So I did purchase this. I purchased this for 1,099 Jamaican dollars. So yeah, that's what I got this for, and this size is 16 ounces, so I think I should get some good use out of it because it's a big size. I want to tell you guys too that how I have realized throughout the year that leave-in conditioners work for me, because I didn't usually use them, but I realized that they have been very beneficial in my natural hair routine. I realized that when after I finish washing out my deep conditioner out of my hair, what I do is I kind of let the hair, I kind of squeeze out all the water so that it's still damp, but it's not like dripping or soaking wet. And then what I would do is apply the leave-in conditioner all over my head, and then I go ahead and cover it again with a plastic cap and just let it kind of sit for 10 to 15 minutes. And then after that, I would go in and style my hair. So I find that really works for me. I don't know if it just allows the leave-in conditioner to kind of soak in to the hair, and therefore it makes the styling process much easier, and also I get my results last a lot longer when I do my leave-in conditioners that way. So that was the first product that I bought. The next product that I bought, I've been using for some time, but I'm not sure if I've actually spoken to you guys about it before. And this product is the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Moisture Replenish and Strength Hair Mask. This product right here is what I use as my moisturizing deep conditioner, and I've been using this for a couple years now, and honestly I've really enjoyed it. And so I had one just right before this, the one that I was using before finished, and I'm like, well, I realized that this really works for me. It really does make my hair feel very moisturized after I've rinsed it out and stuff. So I decided to just repurchase, and I got this for 980 Jamaican dollars. I really enjoy using this, and I'm not really about the junkie life. So if I find something that works for me, then I will continue using it until I find something else that's maybe better, and then I'll continue using that. I don't believe in just trying 50 million things, wasting my money. I found that this really does work for me, so I'm gonna continue using it. So I did purchase this also as a part of my little mini haul. And the final product that I purchased is my beloved Hairstyles Crystal Gel. I got this for $780. This is, how many ounces is this? This is 32 fluid ounces. So I don't know if you guys remember that I had been using the Wetline Extreme Gel. I had been using that one for a while, and I mean, it was okay, but I definitely did prefer my Eco Crystal, but I was not gonna buy another gel until that big tub, because you guys know that Wetline is a huge tub, so that lasted me a long while. So I said I wasn't gonna buy another bottle of gel until it finished, and it now finished. So I back again with my Eco Crystal. I find that this is the best eco gel for me personally. It gives me hold, it doesn't make my hair dry, it doesn't flake on my hair. I also can use this gel to also lay my edges. I didn't use it this time to lay my edges, I use a Wetline, but I can use this to lay my edges. As long as I tie it down, it literally will stay for the entire day. So I just decided to get it back. I know that a lot of people say that they do like the green one, which is the olive oil one, and also the castor oil one, flaxseed and castor oil one. But I've used those two, and I found that the olive oil one, it makes my scalp itch me terribly. I get a lot of flaking and a lot of itching on my scalp when I use the olive oil one. So I actually couldn't even use it a lot the first time I used it, and it happened to me. It was so bad that I actually gave it away to somebody who actually liked that brand of the Eco. And then I also use the flaxseed gel. That one, to me, it doesn't give me as much hold. I find like this gives me hold without drying all my hair. So as I said, people, I'm just really gonna stick to what I know. So this is the last item I got, and I did get it for $780 Jamaican, if I didn't mention that before. And all of them I bought in the wholesales. Alright, so let's get into the update. So as you guys probably would have noticed if you've been watching my channel since last year up until now in 2021, you'd have noticed that I did have colored ends when I started recording and uploading videos. My hair was colored at the ends. I would have colored my hair using a box color, the Cream of Nature, not Cream of Nature. I would have colored my hair before using the Textures and Tones box dye. Yeah, I did color my hair in, I think I colored my hair the last time in 2018, and I basically had just been using like semi-permanents to kind of refresh the color. But after a while I realized that my hair ends started to get really dry, and I kind of was just over it. So I gradually was trimming. I wasn't really trimming a lot, but I don't remember when last year, I'll see if I can put it on the screen, I actually decided that I wanted to cut my hair into a shape, because yes, my hair was getting longer, but I prefer my hair to have a little bit more of a shape. So I did go ahead and give myself a little haircut, and I found that by cutting off those 2 to 3 inches in some places, it really definitely made my ends feel so good. Right now I don't think I have any more colored ends, so my hair is fully black. No, this is my natural hair color, and I realized that my hair really does look and feel a lot more healthier. So, you know, I'm very happy about that. I was able to stick to a solid routine, and I feel like that has definitely aided me in being able to keep up the health of my hair. I feel like I always tell people, you know, who always comment on how nice my hair is or that it always looks good, even though it really does not always look good, people. But you know, I do get a lot of compliments and comments and questions about my hair, especially on the road. And when people ask me like what I do, how I get it like that, I really tell them you really have to find products that work for you, and you have to develop a routine that works for you. Because I feel like personally my hair likes a routine, and anytime I try to divert from what I'm doing in a big way, like I can definitely see a change in my hair. So for instance, I wash my hair every week. Every weekend I wash my hair. I do not manipulate my hair during the week. The only time I would manipulate my hair is if I'm putting it in a puff like how it is now. Usually I do wash and goes. That's really my go-to. I do wash and goes, and the wash and goes usually last me for the entire week until I'm ready to wash again. At the end of the week, whether on a Thursday or a Friday, I might put it in a puff, but that's not an always. So I don't really do anything to my hair. I also ensure that I keep it covered at night time, or if I'm in bed or if I'm gonna lie down for whatever reason, I ensure that I keep it covered. And so that routine has definitely helped me to continue to have healthy hair, and I don't know, I feel like my hair is probably the healthiest it would have been in a long time. Especially since I've had color in my hair from before I big chopped my hair. From my hair was relaxed, I've had color in my hair, and I've constantly been coloring it. So it's really healthy. It does really feel really soft, and I realize that the curls are very defined, and even when I'm washing my hair and I'm detangling and stuff like that, it's a lot more easier because I've been doing my routine, trimming my hair ends and doing all those things. So I'm really pretty happy about that. Also, as I mentioned before when I was talking about the products that I bought recently, I am really gonna try this year to just stick to what I know works. I did deviate a little bit and buy some other products last year, but I really feel like I found products that I can definitely stick to, and I know that when I use those products in my routine, I know that I'm gonna get a good result. So I'm just gonna stick with those products. I'm not saying that I will never try anything new, definitely not, but the products that I have now, I definitely have a staple, and some of those that I mentioned earlier are staples, apart from the Cantu leave-in conditioner, which is kind of new to me. I used it before, but it's been a couple years since I've used it, so I'm just trying it again to see if it will work. But for the most part, I have set products that I use, and if you guys haven't seen my favorite hair products video, I link it in the cards and put it in the description so you guys can check it out. Some of the products that I enjoy using are still the same as what would have been in that video last year. So yeah, I'm just planning to just stick to my routine, keep going with the flow. I wanted to talk about some goals that I have for this year for my natural hair. The biggest goal that I have for my natural hair this year is working on my scalp. Like, if you guys would have been watching me for a while, you would have known that I have scalp issues. So my scalp itches, my scalp flakes. It doesn't flake, but it has like dry scalp. I'm guessing it is dry scalp. I don't know if it's dandruff, but it's not flakes, but it's like little, I don't know, little dry scalp. I don't know what else to call it. So my hair itches. I do have dry scalp, and I find that even happens even if it has been 2 days since I've washed my hair. And yes, people, I am washing my hair properly. Like, I wash my hair thoroughly. I do wash it when I shampoo it, I shampoo it 3 times. And I know that I am washing it properly, but I really need to find something that will help me to kind of get rid of those issues, because it's kind of really annoying, because my hair would be able to last, meaning on the outside it looks good, so looking on at it now it looks good and whatever, but my scalp is itching me so bad that I need to wash my hair again. So I feel like I could stretch my wash days a lot longer if my scalp wasn't so easily irritated, but I can't do that, because as soon as the end of the week comes, I'm ready to wash my hair again. I don't know if anybody else has that issue, and if you guys have any tips in terms of scalp care to help it get flaking and itching. I do have oil my scalp, but the oiling of the scalp does not seem to help me, so I don't oil it anymore because it doesn't help. It still itches and it still flakes up same way. So if you guys have that experience or has found something that worked for you in terms of your scalp, you guys can let me know in the comments down below. So that's one of the things that I really want to work on this year, just finding something that works on my scalp, because the itching is not normal at all, people. You're looking at it now and you say, wow, it look nice and thin, and edges them laid and the curls them popping, but trust me, my scalp is on fire. And another thing too that I should mention is that I do work out a lot, and I'm not sure if that has something to do with it. I don't know if it is that I need to be washing my hair more often, which honestly I don't really want to be washing my hair more than once a week, just because it's a lot. It takes the entire day, and just because I'm gonna end up use more product, and I'm just not really about that life. But I mean, if it is that I want like my scalp to be a lot better, maybe that's what I'll have to do. The next thing is that for this year, I want to start doing something different with my hair. I know that I told you guys that I've cut off all the color, and now my hair is just at its basically its natural color. But with that, I'm getting a little bit bored, so I'm thinking about two things that I might want to do. One is I actually might want to go back to the color because I just feel like it brought something different and some kind of newness, like some kind of vibrance to me and my whole look. So I'm contemplating actually coloring my hair. I should mention to you guys that when I do color my hair, I do not color it all the way at the top. What I usually do is color like a little bit, maybe above halfway right to the ends, or like halfway of my hair, the length of my hair to the ends. So I don't usually color my whole head. So if it is that I feel like I want to trim it off or cut it off, like I don't feel no way, because it's not like I'll have to be cutting like from close to the roots or anything like that. So I'm thinking about coloring my hair. If you guys have any color suggestions for me, please leave them down in the comments and let me know. Also, the second thing that I'm thinking about is actually getting a haircut. Like really cutting off my hair. I'm gonna see if I can put some inspiration pictures on the screen, and you guys can let me know which one of the pictures or which one of the styles you think would fit me, or if there's a particular hair shape that you think I would get that would be flattering on me, you can let me know. But I'm definitely thinking about doing a big chop. So it's not just like a little trim or nothing, like I'm really thinking about doing a big chop and stuff just to change up my look. I don't know if I'll ever do it, but we'll see. Something that I'm thinking about doing. So I definitely want to change up my look in some way this year. So either getting the color or getting a haircut, like a legit haircut. So we'll see. Comment down below and let me know if you think it's a good idea. If you want me to grow out my hair, let me know in the comments below. The other thing that I want to continue doing is actually giving myself regular trims and kind of paying attention to the ends of my hair. I've noticed that since I've actually started giving myself proper trims and not like dusting, you know, I realized that my hair is a lot easier to detangle. My curls clump better, they look better when they are dried. I don't have to spend so much time on detangling. I don't have a lot of snags or split ends, or I don't see any hair struggling around the place. Like my hair just feels so much smoother and silkier ever since I kept giving myself like proper trims. And so I want to continue doing that because I do like how my hair feels. I do like how it feels. I do like how the curls just naturally define up after I've put in all my products and stuff. Them just naturally just define, and they feel smooth and they feel soft, and I don't have a lot of those single strand knots. So that's something else that I want to continue doing. I feel like I was previously afraid to just kind of cut my hair or to trim my hair just because I said, love, you know what, cut off so much and suppose it uneven. But I think that I have been gradually being able to kind of look at my hair in the mirror and kind of know where I need to take off some more, or if I need to leave this side longer, because I do have several textures in my hair. So sometimes my hair can look longer on one side and shorter on the other, but that's just because one side of my hair is looser than the other and one section is much curlier or much kinkier or whatever. So I've kind of gotten used to the idea of kind of trimming my hair, looking at it and being able to kind of trim where I want to. Not to say that I will never go to a professional to get like my hair done if like I'm actually gonna do a haircut, but I kind of have found a way to kind of trim it, you know, to my liking, and so that it looks and feels a lot healthier. So that's something that I want to continue doing as a goal for this year. Something else that I want to do is incorporate more hairstyles. Now earlier I did mention that I'm a wash and go girl. Like I just stick to wash and goes. They're easy for me because I guess I've been doing them so often, but I have been telling myself lately that in order for me to learn to do other styles, because you guys know recently I had that big fail with the perm rods. You guys can check out that video of me doing perm rods if you want to. I'll leave it in the cards and in the description so you guys can check it out. But it's really that I don't practice no other styles, so when I do them one time and them fail and I give up, I can't do that, because there was a point in my life where I was like, wash and goes, no miss, I can't do that. I actually was so in love with Bantu knots, and right now me and Bantu knot and a friend, because I don't think Bantu knots look good on my hair, none at all. I don't think it looks good, but I do want to start incorporating new styles into my hair, you know, kind of broaden my horizons in terms of styling and stuff like that. I'm actually even thinking about, you know, probably straightening my hair this year to kind of see where it's at. Maybe straighten it and like give myself like a cut, like a straight cut, because what I do now are curly cuts. So I'm also thinking about that. So we'll see how 2021 will go. So the final goal that I want to talk about is the fact that I I want to just continue using the products that I know work. I want to just continue paying attention to my hair and what my hair likes. I want to only have a set of core products. Not to say that I won't try maybe a 1 or 2 different products, but at my core, the fundamental products like my curling cream and my gels and stuff like that, like them have to be the same things. Them have to be the same things. Just because I know what works for my hair and what my hair likes. So if I want my hair to be super defined or super moisturized or last me for an extended period, I know exactly what products to use to ensure that that happens. So that's something that I want to definitely keep up with. That's another goal of mine. Not to be a product junkie and not to be spending money on different stuff. Yes, still try stuff, but at the core of my natural hair favorites and products, like I'm just gonna stick to what I know really works for my hair. So I want to thank you guys for watching another episode of Just Debbie Marie. I want to remind you guys to subscribe to the channel. If you want to reach this far in the video, better want to just subscribe from now. Also remember to keep liking my videos. It really does help me when you guys comment and like my videos. I also want to remind you guys that I have playlists on my videos. I've categorized my videos as best as I can into different playlists just to make it easier for you to find something maybe that really sticks out to you or something that's really interesting on Just Debbie Marie. Remember to check out my other channel called Yardments. And also, if you're watching, remember to leave the brush in the comments to let me know that you're here chilling with Just Debbie Marie. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.